we'll guide you through how to make Steam Artwork Showcase GIF. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop to begin the process. Look for any web browser available on your system and double-click it to open. Wait a few moments for the browser to load completely before continuing. Once it is ready, type 𝗧𝗛𝗞𝗘/maker into the search bar and press Enter to visit the website. On the page, click Choose Files to start selecting your media. Choose the file you want to turn into a GIF and press Open. After selecting the file, click the blue Upload Files button. Wait for the upload to finish, then adjust the available settings to your liking. When everything looks correct, click Make a GIF to generate the animation. If needed, adjust any additional options shown on the next page, then click Save. Choose a folder where you want to store the GIF and click Save again. Next, open Steam and sign in if required. Hover over your username near the top of the Steam window and click Profile. On your profile page, scroll down and click Artwork from the menu on the right side. After opening the Artwork section, click Upload Artwork. When the game selection window appears, click Not Game Specific. Click the title box and enter a name for your artwork. Under the Select Your Artwork File section, click Choose File. Locate the GIF you created earlier, select it, and click Open. Scroll down until you reach the Rights and Ownership section. Check the box confirming that you created the artwork yourself. Once that is done, click Save and continue to upload it. After the upload is complete, return to your profile page. Click Edit Profile and open the Showcase Manager section. From the available showcase options, select Artwork Showcase. After that, press the blue pencil icon and choose the artwork you just uploaded. Finally, return to your profile once more to confirm everything worked correctly. You should now see the GIF displayed in your artwork showcase, allowing visitors to view the animated image directly from your Steam profile page. If the animation does not appear immediately, refresh the profile page and give Steam a moment to update everything properly.